So good evening everyone. I am Lance Dominic Nitkin from ECE1A. So today I'm going to discuss the Article 4, Section 27 of RA 9292, which is the practice of profession. So the practice of profession, the main purpose of this article is to protect the publics and the professionals against identity theft and impersonation. So this law is very straightforward lang. So no it states that no person permitted to offer service the use of professional titles of professional electronics engineer and electronics technician. So the second one is it also states that it is prohibited to sign any document, letters, giving business card, any signs, trying to leave a impersonation that you are already a professional electronics engineer. So you are recognized. You can be only recognized by the PRC as a ECE, ECT, and professional electronics engineer once you pass the board exam. Noted that the ECE and ECT is two different exams, so you need to pass these two to have the credential of ECE and ECT. So um, you can only get this valid credential once you pass any board of those board exam. So these two is namely valid certificate of registration and a valid professional identification card. Noted that this two has an expiration date. So let's provide a real life scenario. Example, I am an incoming fourth year graduating student. So I made a letter stating that I am Engineer Lance Dominic Nitnit ECE ECD. So I cannot sign those documents because if I sign those documents, I might face a punishment for breaking the Article 4, Section 27, which is the practice of profession. So I might face a fine of 100,000 to 1 million and imprisonment of 6 months to 6 years depending on the situation. So the second scenario is I giving out a business card. So I cannot give business card also for my work because I didn't pass any board exam yet. And if I give out those business card, I might also face a punishment of fine of 100,000 to 1 million and imprisonment of 6 years to 6 months to 6 years. So the last example is when you already have this two valid credential, which valid certificate of registration and a valid professional identification card. So it has an expiry date. So once it expired, you need to renew it because if you didn't renew it and you are working and you give out this business card, so and once the PRC note that the valid certificate of registration and the valid identification card has been expired, you are also going to face the punishment of having the living to impersonate to be not having those credentials. So you need to renew it to avoid this punishment for breaking the law. So to sum it up, you need to take board exam to get this two valid credential, which is a valid registration and a valid certificate of registration and a valid professional identification card to be recognized as a professional electronics engineer, ECE and ECT. And by breaking this law, you can face a punishment of 100,000 to 1 million of fine and 6 months to 6 years of imprisonment. So you need to avoid breaking this law and trying to impersonate one. That's all. Thank you.